Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for some talk about Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And Leo is here, so we're going to tap into his mind, and so he can teach us more wisdom from the Hakka culture.
对，要有點深度，有點學問哦。
對，要把這個客家人的智慧傳遞給我們的聽眾朋友們。
好，那我們今天教大家這一句哈，寧怕落來強，
寧怕落來強，
唔怕寒露逢，
唔怕寒露逢。Okay, I love it. It always rhymes because these are proverbs, right? But there's a lot of meaning in it. 來教這個上半段是什麼意思？
上半段啊，就是人怕老來窮。
哦，這當然啦。
對啊，
我年輕的時候
誰都怕，
我也都怕窮啊。
你年輕，請問你現在幾歲？您貴庚啊
？It's true. Okay, 人怕老來窮. So the first half of this proverb is about growing old. We have this fear of being poor. Okay, 人怕老來窮怎麼說？
寧怕落來窮。
寧怕落來窮，所以窮就是窮嘛。
對
，That's poor. 怕
就是
怕
的意思。但是怕这个字在客家话口语上来讲就是会用驚。
Oh, okay. So if you just want to say afraid, it's actually 驚. But in this proverb, it's 怕。
超感。
人怕老來窮。那後面
那一句就是說現在就要好好的努力工作
，OK，
存點錢。
怎麼說？
唔怕寒露逢，
唔怕寒露逢。Okay, that means we're not afraid of the cold. A cold, hard day is nothing when you're young because you want to save up for when you're old. Let's hear this entire proverb's explanation in English.
In the Aesop fable, The Ant and the Grasshopper, the ant diligently works hard to store up food for the winter, whereas the grasshopper mocks the ant and wastes the summer away. As the seasons change and winter approaches, the grasshopper finds itself in a perilous situation of starving to death, so he begs the ant to help him survive the winter. The Hakka have a similar saying, save your money while you're young, so you'll have less to worry about when you're older. If you work hard just like the ant, you won't have to worry about surviving like the grasshopper. Many Hakka parents instill in their children the importance of saving and preparing for the future.
And Leo, 是不是再一次可以跟我们说一下这一次的谚语怎么说？
好，寧怕落來窮，
寧怕落來窮，
唔怕寒露逢，
唔怕寒露逢。And there you go, another wise proverb here from the Hakka culture. And that is for today's talk about Hakka.
什麼睇㗎？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.